In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make PDF download button in Elementor. In order to do that, first head over to elementor.com, and then from in there you can click on the Discuss Sorted in order to create an account, or click on this login in order to log into an existing one. From in there, just head over to WordPress.com. We will use WordPress in order to host Elementor, so make sure to create an account on here as well, or click onto this login option. So let me head over and log in on both accounts. Now this is the website I currently have using the WordPress Elementor, and I want to create a PDF download button. So to do that, you can head over and then click onto the search widget, search in here for button, and then add the button wherever you want to put it. For example, let's add it right here. And as you can see, we have in here this button. So what we can do is we can actually head over and choose in here the type of button. It can be a default, info, success, and the likes. So under this, just input right here the text. For example, let's put in here download. You can change its colors and the like. You can also input right here a link for your actual PDF. So what we can do is we can head over to a new tab and then just head over to your Google Drive. On your Google Drive, head over and upload the PDF that you want to actually add on your Elementor. And once it's actually uploaded, the next thing you need to do is to just copy the link for that particular item. In order to upload it, head over and click onto this new option. Click on this file upload and upload the actual PDF. So here is my actual PDF right here. Just click on it. Click onto this plus icon with the person on it. And then from in there, make sure to choose in here the option. Make sure that it's not restricted and it's available on anyone with the link. And then from in there, click onto this copy link right here once it's done loading. So once it's done loading right here, you can head back right there to your Elementor, paste in here the link, and then from in there, just save the changes that you have made. So what this will do is it will actually give you the link for this particular part. Make sure to remove the hashtag and click on this publish in order to publish it. So that's how you make PDF download button in Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.